Alright, so I'm recording this after the fact, but I'm putting this at the beginning of the video because I want to remind you all, get your videos in. You've got about a week. Today is the 25th. You got till the 31st to get your videos in, get those gap challenges in. Like I've told people, it doesn't have to be like full-length videos. It can be just you hitting that gap. The main thing is get out there, hit some gaps, and then we'll get some people voting on that. There's already been a bunch of voting. So those of you who haven't got your videos in, the longer you wait, the less opportunity you have for getting votes in. Voting will continue all the way through the 7th. So get those videos in. You got the 31st to get them in, 7th to get your votes in, and we've got a close first and second. We've only got like 4 videos though. You guys got to get some more videos in, you know. Right now it's between Reese and Danger Dave, I think, have the most votes between those two. I don't remember which one had the most. So you guys need to get those videos in. Alright, so now back to the flying for today. Alright, set that guy there and position myself accordingly. Let me see where I want to fly it today. I'd like to get a little color on the trees too, maybe. Let's see how this goes. I'll stand this way to put the patch out over the water just in case. All right. Remember where I'm situated out here too. Man, this sucker is so touchy. Give y'all a nice view of the lake there. Haha. How did I say that? Here's something hitting there. That's going to land this thing. This battery's not the best, is it? That battery's not the best anyways. It's on its last legs. I could feel that when I punched there. Felt weak. Oh, what was touching here? Something was touching. I don't know what. Oh, my antenna. Alright, let's slide that over a little bit there. Yeah, he's all good there. Alright, let's take his battery off there and put a good battery on.
Telemetry lost.
That battery's not the best. It's only it's a 1300, but it's like at its last days. Looks good, but it just doesn't have much oomph in. I've had it for a long time. Alright, now this one looks like crap, but actually is really good. It's funny how that works. Alright. Alright, put that one on there. Put that up there. And plug that in.
Telemetry recovered.
There we go. That should be good. Make sure everything looks good. Okay. Okay, looks okay. Alright, let's try that again. Alright, let's remember where I'm standing again. Alright. And that was terrible there. That's for you, Quad FPV. I think it was the right name. He was like, you could do a split S over it and come back to it. Yeah. I can. And I appreciate the vote of confidence on that. I that dropped a little too much there, didn't I? whack that down. That was kind of cool.
30 seconds.
Up under too. Hopefully the GoPro stayed on.
Seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7.
So I hope you guys are enjoying
6, 5, 4,
this
3,
ripping around
2,
here.
1. Timer 1 elapsed.
There we go. So, hope you guys enjoyed that one. That was fun. Definitely fun. Take this battery off here.
Telemetry lost.
My glasses on for a second, so I can see what I'm looking at. All right. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed that bit of ripping there. That was pretty fun. I'm getting a lot more comfortable with the more aggressive proximity flying, which is fun. That's good stuff. Good stuff. So let's fly another one, and then we'll come back and chat a bit more. And we'll keep chatting here while we're doing this. So I know you guys like these flights here with the stick cam and stuff too. And we'll try to start doing that pretty regular. Which way do you like it? Do you like it better in just like down in the corner of the screen, you know, down in the bottom corner, or do you like it where I like center it and kind of just isolate the controller? I kind of move a bit when I'm flying, so sometimes that's not always the easiest thing to do.
Telemetry recovered.
But which way do you like it better? Do you like it that way, or do you like it kind of in the center with it kind of like faded out on the edges there, just kind of blends in a little bit transparent? I kind of like both ways for different reasons, but yeah, we got a truck coming here. I got wet in this truck here, so we'll wait on the truck, warm my hands up for a second while he goes by. We don't want to crash into him, that's for sure. That would be a bad day. Got some people or something walking down. Let me see what we got down there. Can't see somebody, I think. What is that? No. I thought I saw a person, and it was reflections of cars on the lake. That's how bad my vision is. That's just terrible. That's terrible. All right, anyways. Let's follow there. It's kind of like a... There's some nice colors out here, though. Those nice colors over the lake. They're pretty. It is pretty up here. You got a nice, pretty spot. It's kind of fun just to kind of cruise around and take in the scenery. But then it's also fun. What the heck was that? Have a look at the, oh man, that thing stopped recording. I'm not sure when that stopped recording. That was crazy. What was that? Sure this wasn't here. It was. What did you do? Something came off of that. It's still. That was interesting. Really interesting. Huh. Don't see nothing on top of it there now. It looked like a big, I don't know what that was. I'll have to go back and watch the footage there and see what the heck that was. I don't know. That was kind of weird. We'll follow that up when I get back home. So I hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of flying there, and sorry my audio cut out there in that second flight. Hope you just enjoy the ripping, and you guys have a great day. And I'm hoping somebody like didn't throw something while I was flying. I wouldn't be surprised by that dude up on the hill. It wouldn't surprise me if he did. He's contrary. Anyways, I don't think he did. I think something fell out of the tree. So I'm gonna go back and watch the video, and we'll see what it is, and we'll do a follow-up after I check and see what it is. And although you're watching this now, you probably already know what it is because you saw the footage and you probably stopped it and watched to see what the heck it was, because something come from above there and hit me. That was crazy. You guys in the next video, go do something good for somebody. Go be the good people you guys are. Get out there, go rip some, and have a great day.